Welcome to the Innovar Healthcare Mirth Minute. Today I'll be showing a demonstration of the file writer in Mirth Connect. Once you're in the destination of your channel, change the connector type to file writer. The file writer settings will appear at the bottom of the screen. First, select the method. For this demo, we'll leave it as file. Next, enter the directory which specifies where the file will be stored. As you can see, I have a file writer folder located in my C drive. Copy the file path and paste into the directory section in Mirth Connect. Once the directory is entered, press Test Write to ensure that it can connect to the folder. Next, use the file name. We'll drag and drop channel name and unique ID, then add .txt extension. In the template, drag and drop encoded data. Then save and deploy the channel. Now navigate to the Deploy Channel and Dashboard and send a message. After processing the message, check the response and you'll see where the message was sent and is located in the file specified in the directory section of the destination. Then navigate to the folder created to view the new text file. Thanks for watching the Mirth Minute video by Innovar Healthcare. Subscribe for more content and we'll see you next time.